This is our bag vending machine in which we can store 500 numbers, and the operation is very simple. What we need to do, locate the bag. So it's in the, we kept in 201, 202, 203. So just like enter the code. So 203, I'm entering 203. So in that, for that we fix the price 1 rupee for a sample. So I am dropping 1 rupee now. So it start dispensing. So we can collect the bag from the bottom. So here is the bag. So again I am putting code as 201. So for that also the same price. Start dispensing. Yeah, that only, it's very simple. 202 coin. If you drop, yeah, so we can collect the bag. Yeah, it's very simple to operate. So by using the keypad, select the tray and insert the coin.